Good day, it's your host Klaus. So I didn't post anything yesterday because I had kind of losses, so my mind wasn't in the right space. So I had to like postpone yesterday to like rest my mind and all that. So today we'll then look why I had losses on those trade I took. I think based on the actual, let's go to the files. Hmm. Did okay. I don't I don't understand what actually happened here because this should have been my entry, yeah. This based on that refinement of it, this should have been my entry. So I don't know why I used this. Okay, probably because I want to this and then another one that came back down. But this should have been my entry because this would have been a perfect entry, yeah. So anyways, this one went on a loss, yeah. And then if we say it's going to test this zone for it to continue the sell because it didn't actually reach this very level here. If that it reached this level here, then we'll say it's going to reach here, then it's going to probably continue go up. But it didn't get up to this level. This is the 4 hours time frame. If we get to the 1 hour time frame, let's see what happened on that level. Still didn't get up to it. So that is a no brainer. It's still going to go for a sell. I'll remove this. Go back to a 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, entry could be here, or you could literally give your entry right now and go for a sell. So this was that. Let's put then put that we are going for how the current market is. So put here. Then our SL should be here. Then we have this. It's actually not what the trade, so I won't say you should actually take anything here. You can like let's see one. I'm coming. I want to check if I can see something. Because this is like a shift, yeah. We've not had any BS. This is like our shift for the sell. Came up. You can say this is the current one. But this mitigated by this one mitigated by this has currently been mitigated. This here, it has currently been mitigated, which gave us this particular entry here. So you could adjust the SL to to this level and you leave it as it is. We'll see how this particular trade goes. Now we go to the um we go to U 75 index. That one was also well, it's a lot because I think I did some kind of adjustment on my own, which gave me a loss. Let's go to files. Okay. So yeah was to go for yeah was to go for a sell, which the market went for a buy around there. So why did the market disobey that particular side? This is the reason. It was still using this block here. So we remove this. This one didn't enter, didn't get up to it. So we can remove this. It was still using this other block here. If we had used this, we'll have gotten this trend, this trade here, upward. So I removed it. That was kind of my own mistake. Too much. Too much. This is why I don't like coming to the 1 hour. Too much noise. Another, we just concentrate on the 4 hours. So this was what happened. It use this, continue the trend. We could leave this or remove it. I'll just leave it for now. Then we can see what is going on currently. It has gotten up to here. So you could put trying to see if we can put something of a sell to this level or just to this level, then it will go up. But for now, I don't know about that. So I feel like it's still a buy. There's a possibility that it will do something of this nature. Because this is here. This is like our previous break. It did break it. It came, it retested it. Nice. See it here. It came, it retested. So what we will do here is to get in on a buy around this level here. You get your buy here. This is a long. Your buy should be here. Let's see. Can take it all the way here if you're interested in doing that, or you could just take it to where you feel you're more comfortable with. Then this will be your SL. So this is 113. So not a bad deal. That is if it actually get into the trade and it moves accordingly. So this is kind of a positive. It looks kind of something that might happen. So I'll say I'll actually put this on my trade. I'll put this on my trade later when I'm done with my video. Mm, whereas let's see. Let's see if this actually got to a TP. It didn't get to a TP per se, but you should have closed by now because this is a long sum. And we go for which other one? This is the one we did last time. Okay. Yeah, finally triggered and is on a loss. Triggered on a loss. If we had used them, but it wouldn't have triggered. But anyways, I don't know, did I not adjust all these things? Yeah. So this is the adjusted one, yeah. One, two, three. This is a confirmed one. This is a confirmed one. One, two, three. So waiting for it to get up to, we have like this kind of like the first. Okay, we had the first, yeah, second, and then the third. Your SL final there. So you can, if it goes up, you can like double, add more if you feel like it, but don't move this your SL. Your SL should be, if you hit this SL, just forget about the trade. So this is the adjustment for this. That will be all. So let's go into what we'll be doing today. I've wasted time already, like damn. Let's just go to this first thing we see. I I decided not to do um I decided not to go for synthetic today because based on the correction I already did, it was on synthetic. So we'll be going for commodities today. So what are we looking now? Go 24 hours. Okay. This is an uptrend. Is an uptrend. Up, 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 up. I don't even know where to use as my low. But let's use this. This will be our current low. This is our current high. And we use this as our current low. That is the closest low that we can use, yeah. Because we can literally go to the extreme. We can literally go to the extreme of using this, which is not seem bad. We are going to use this for now because it actually had a reasonable kind of value, as you can see here, and we see an average around there, so it's kind of reasonable. Now on this low, there are some things we are seeing here. It's looking like it's going for a sell based on what you are seeing here. If you go to the far, um we are make a copy. We are just changing this. We are changing to AUDJPY V. Yeah. Now what are we doing? What are we doing? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And one, two, very long one, respected. This was respected, yeah. This, you can say this respected it, which it kind of still came up a bit above it, so it didn't really respect that level there. Then we had our, what is that? This, what is all this? She was probably. Mm, I'm confused as hell, yeah. So this is the one we're using. We got one, two, three. Came here, we had liquidity, somewhat equal highs, and then we had the BS shift here, nice slight shift. So one, two, three. We're expecting this to go up to here, and then mad sell. That's what we're expecting. That is what I feel might happen on here. I'm not sure. This is the first time of me looking at this, and I'm already confused as fuck. So yeah, you respected this kinda, which is thing kind of on this, which was respected by this also. So this is something of this nature. We're waiting for the market to actually break this level. Because say this was our high. It's kind of like a ranging market. So we are hoping there is a shot, hoping on something of this nature. We could literally just put it on here, the entry here. Move this our TP here or below, anyone you like. You can put it below that. You can put it here for a more secure profit. So I don't. Now let's see 1 hour. If we are going to see anything different on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, this we have something of this nature, and then as you can see, it's kind of still respected this level here. It did come into this level, then went down. So let us see. Yep, same thing. It came into that level, went down. So yeah, it might be up to this level. But this it didn't really come into this level, yeah. So now we are on the 1 hour time frame, and here we are having multiple kind of levels to kind of give us the trade. So this didn't give us that three of the thing that we're looking for, but we have something of a little bit of average around there. So we are going to move it. We'll move it up to here. So we can say this one respected it, came down. We have our down here. Then you could say this is maybe our new one. We could move it again because that hasn't been expected or whatever. Then you can move your entry to this level. Your SL should be around here. They're giving it gap to in case if you want to go a bit. So this is what we are having currently. So we're expecting this to get up to here and then move. But these are our shifts. These are our shifts. Our BOS. So you will literally just put your SLM or you could put your SLM. Then as for your TP can be on here. That is if this one is what moves it up to this top here, you can put your TP at this very level here. Currently I'm just doing it to the extreme, which is down here. Then now if you run with the average fib is just to like see where our TP should be. You can say your first TP here, second TP here, third TP, fourth TP, fifth TP here, whatever one you want to use. Then this is for your entry. You can screenshot it, your entry, your profit, your stop loss. And this is it for AUDJPY. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, do comment. and a thumbs up also, a thumbs down. Or reaction is still kind of positive, I think. But anyways, till next time.